Creating a ticket in Trello is a simple process that allows you to track tasks, issues, or requests. Here's how to create a ticket. Open your board. Navigate to the Trello board where you want to create the ticket. Boards can be organized by project, team, or category. Select a list. Choose a list where the ticket will be added, such as to-do, backlog, or issues. Lists are typically used to organize tasks based on their status or type. Add the card. To create a ticket, click Add the card at the bottom of the selected list. A text box will appear where you can enter the title of the ticket. Enter ticket details. Once the card is created, click on it to open it. Add more details in the card description, such as a summary of the issue or steps to reproduce the bug. You can also include attachments, checklists, or deadlines to provide more context. Assign members. If the ticket needs to be handled by a specific team member, click Members and assign the card to them. Use labels and due dates. To further categorize and prioritize the ticket, you can add labels and set due dates.